Hey guys, just Jani, and my helper over here is Tucker, also known as Tuckeroni and Cheese. Today I wanted to tell you about my heated vest by Ororo. I'm not sponsored or anything. My husband got me this for my birthday because I'm always cold when I'm in the shop, and I was thinking you guys might want to know that these exist. So it's heated with a battery pack. It sits in a little zipper pocket back here. It has 3 heat settings. You turn it on with this little button and you get your 3 different settings by clicking again and again. Click through them. The battery lasts for about 3 hours. I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but you don't just turn it on and leave it on until it's dead. For example, when I come out to my shop and I haven't had the heater on yet to heat it up, I will turn on my vest while the shop is getting warmed up, and then I turn it off. And then, maybe later you get a chill, you turn it on again, or you're working by the heater and you have to go on the other side of the shop to use a different piece of equipment. You can turn on your vest and be warm while you're over there and turn it off when you get back. And I just really like my vest, and I thought, since you guys are out in your shops, your garages, doing the same thing I am, you might like to know that they exist. They are machine washable. You do have to hang them up to dry though, and they're a little expensive. The regular price for this particular model was $159.99, but they usually have a sale going and you can get maybe like $30 off or something right now. I think is the St. Patrick's Day sale. So anyway, I just wanted to tell you about my vest, and if you want to check them out, I will put a link in the description box below to this particular model. The company makes other vests and jackets, gloves, and socks if you're really cold. Anyway, thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe.